In 2019, a virus jumped from a bat to humans. This happened in a market in the city of Wuhan, China. This virus, which came to be known as COVID-19, spread and infected the world in unprecedented ways. As of January 2021, more than 2 million people all over the world have died because of this virus. Knowledge slowly started increasing on protection, treatment and management of the disease. But the critical need was to develop a vaccine. The greatest scientific minds across the world started work on this. In India too, the scientific community started work on developing an indigenous vaccine. How did India manage to develop a vaccine in this time frame? How effective is this vaccine? And would it finally manage to bring the country back to normalcy?